Hello students, let's continue chapter 4th, that is practical geometry. Let's solve the following quadrilateral. First part, quadrilateral LIFT, where LI is equal to 4 cm, IF is equal to 3 cm, TL is equal to 2.5 cm, and LF is equal to 4.5 cm, and IT is equal to 4 centimeter. Now, first we will draw rough sketch. So this is rough sketch. Now we will give name LIFT. Here LI is given 4 centimeter, so we write 4 centimeter. IF is given 3 centimeter, so we write 3 centimeter here. TL is equal to 2.5 centimeter, so we write 2.5 centimeter here. LF is equal to 4.5 centimeter, so we write LF. Where is LF? This is LF. LF is 4.5 centimeter. And IT. This is IT. And IT is 4 centimeter. Students, you can see here 3 sides and 2 diagonals are given. Students, you can see in quadrilateral LIFT, the measurement of 3 sides and 2 diagonals are given. In exercise 4.1, we have constructed quadrilateral with measurement of 4 sides and 1 diagonal. Now, in this exercise, we will construct quadrilateral with measurement of 3 sides and 2 diagonals. First, we will draw IF. So, we draw a line segment of 3 centimeter. This is 3 centimeter and this is IF. Now, we will draw LI and LI is 4 centimeter. So, we will take 4 centimeter in compass. You can see here, this is 4 centimeter. And we will draw arc with I as a center. This is arc of radius 4 centimeter. Now we will draw LF and LF is 4.5 centimeter. Now we will take 4.5 centimeter in compass and we will draw arc with center F. So this is F, this is a center and we will draw arc. These are intersect to each other at point L. So we write here L. This is L. Now we will join point L and I and L and F. Clear, students? You can see here. Now we will draw IT. IT is 4 centimeter. So we will take 4 centimeter in compass and I as a center we draw arc. This is arc. Now we will draw LT. LT is 2.5. So we will take 2.5 in compass and we take L as a center and we draw an arc which intersect previous arc at point T. Student, this is T. Clear? Now we will join TF, LT, and IT. You can see here IT. Clear? So this is required quadrilateral LIFT, where LT is 2.5 centimeter. So we write here 2.5 centimeter. LI is 4 centimeter. So we write 4 centimeter. IF is 3 centimeter. So we write here 3 centimeter. And IT is 4 centimeter. And LF is 4.5 centimeter. Clear, students? Students, you have to write steps of construction yourself. Second part, quadrilateral GOLD. Students, you have to construct this quadrilateral GOLD yourself. Now we will take part third, rhombus BEND, where BN is equal to 5.6 centimeter and DE is equal to 6.5 centimeter. Let's construct rhombus BEND. Firstly, we will draw rough sketch. So this is rough sketch of rhombus BEND. Now we will give name BEND. Here BN is equal to 5.6 centimeter given. BN is here. This is BN. This is 5.6 centimeter. And DE. This is DE. And DE is 6.5 centimeter. Students, here two diagonals are given. One is 5.6 centimeter and second is 6.5 centimeter. Students, you have learnt in chapter 3rd that diagonals of rhombus are perpendicular bisector of each another. Here diagonal DE and BN intersect to each other at point A. This is A. And diagonals perpendicular bisector of each another, so they cut to each other in equal part. Clear, students? These are equal. Now we will take AN is equal to AB is equal to half of BN, and BN is given 5.6 centimeter. So AN and AB are half of 5.6 centimeter is equal to 2.8 centimeter. So the length of AN and AB are 2.8 centimeter. Here two diagonals are given. One is 6.5 centimeter and other is 5.6 centimeter. So first we will draw a line segment of 6.5 centimeter. Now we will draw line segment of 6.5 centimeter. So students, you can see here this is 6.5. This is DE. Clear? Now we will draw a perpendicular bisector of DE, which intersect DE at point A. So we will take D and E as centers and radius more than half of DE in compass. Students, you can see we will take a radius more than half. Clear? Now we will draw arc both sides. Now we will take E as a center and we draw arc both sides. Clear? These arcs cut to each other at point X and Y. Now we will join X and Y. You can see here XY is a perpendicular bisector of DE which intersect DE at point A. So this is A. Clear? Now we will take 2.8 centimeter radius in compass. You can see here 2.8. This is 2.5. Now we will take 1, 2, 3. This is 2.8. You can see here. And we take A as a center and cut the perpendicular bisector both sides. Now we will give the name of this cut is B and this is N. Student, this is N and this is B. Now we will join. Students, this is our required quadrilateral and this is rhombus because the length of all four sides of this quadrilateral are equal. Students, you have to write the steps of construction of this quadrilateral by yourself. Now exercise 4.2 has completed. We will meet again in next video. Up till then, thank you.